Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tsioyn Charles. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Tsioyn. I know it's spelled weird, but it's pronounced Tsioyn. I hope you guys stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be a one makeup brand video that I am doing today. I'm going to be using all Morphe products, and the big bad boy that I'm going to be using today for my eyes is the Sweet Oasis, also known by the 35S palette. It has a lot of blues and pinks and neutrals in here. The only thing I wish that they had was the orange, like an orangey peachy color in this palette. That's the only thing that I think is missing. I mean, the packaging looks like, you know, a sunset, and I feel like they have the blues, they have the pinks, they just didn't have the orange, and I wish they had the orange in there because it would have been such a look if it had that orange in there. Everything I used on my eyes for eyeshadow is basically all from this palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I did use some new products on my face as well. They're all from Morphe. So if you guys want to see how I created this look today using basically all Morphe products, then keep on watching.
Alright, hey guys, so I'm going to start with the voiceover. I'm starting with a fresh face, and I already did one side of my eyes. So I'm going to use the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Java. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I am going for a darker brow today because I am doing such a dramatic look to my eyes. So yeah. Now I'm going in with my Morphe Fluidity full coverage concealer, and I'm using the shade C3.15. It's a soft matte concealer, and it has a really good coverage. So I'm just going to use that to basically clean up my eyebrows. And it is a little light because, you know, this is what I was recommended when I went in to go get it, but it actually comes out really nice with the foundation, so you'll see. So I'm going to go in with the concealer as a eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use a brush to blend it out, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender to make sure everything's all set. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette, and I'm going to pick up the color Yacht Life, and I'm just going to pop that like at the lower part of my eye and slowly blend it up. Now I'm going to use Private Villa as a blending shade to blend out that darker pink that we used on our lid earlier. Now I'm going to use Sandbar. I probably should have put it in there before I put the pink, but it's okay. It still looked nice. I'm just going to use that as like a transition color between the two pinks. And then I'm just going to go back in and blend it all together. Make sure that the colors blend well. Now I'm just darkening up the pinks, making sure that all the colors are popping. And I'm going to take this color, it's called Champagne on Ice. I'm going to pop that on my brow bone. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Equalizer Foundation Primer, and it literally makes your face feel so smooth. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. It's a medium to full coverage foundation, and I got this shade Rich 27. Alright, so when I bought this foundation, I bought it online, and it actually told me that I was supposed to be a darker shade, and I was like, no, I know that I'm not that dark. So I got this one instead, but at first I thought I was going to be too dark, but it actually came out pretty nice with my skin tone. So I'm not complaining. Going back in with the concealer, I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes and blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Bake and Set Setting Powder in the shade Banana. And like it says, I'm just going to bake underneath my eyes. I personally have been liking this method, so this is what I'm doing. So while I'm baking, I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour my nose. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 8T Totally Tan Complexion Pro Face Palette. It literally has a contour color, it has bronzers, it has a highlight, it has blush, and it also has the banana powder in there as well. So you'll see how I use it. I'm using the second bronze color, and I'm just going to contour my nose. and I felt like my highlight was just a little too strong, so I'm just blending it out a little bit more, and then I'm going to go back in and just finish contouring my nose. So I'm going in with that banana shade, and I'm just going to blend my nose contour out a little bit, and then I'm going to dust off the banana powder that I had underneath my eyes as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bake underneath my contour line, basically. I don't know what to call this, but I'm just going to blend that out. A lot of people has been telling me that my face has been looking a little bit rounder since I'm getting a little bit bigger because I'm pregnant. So this is just something that I like to do, just sharpen up my face a little bit more. And while that bakes, I'm going to go ahead and contour and bronze up my face while that is baking. So I'm taking the contour color, and then I'm going to go in with the bronze and just, you know, give my face a little more definition. I'm just going to dust off that powder, and then while I was off camera, I went ahead and did the other eye. So let me show you what I did for that. So I'm going to take this eyeliner. It's from the brand Illuminate E, I think that's how it's pronounced, and it's the Gel Paint Electric Blue, and it's a really dark blue, so I'm actually going to go in with a white and just kind of blend it out. And then I'm going to take the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner in pure white, and I'm just going to blend out that dark blue so that way I have a lighter blue going on. Now I'm going to go in with Infinity Pool, and I'm just going to blend out my lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to mix Sail Away and Snorkel Sesh, and I'm going to blend out Infinity Pool, and I'm going to like really focus those two colors on the outer corner, the inner corner of my eye mostly. So I have like a little fade going on. And last, I'm going to go in with Island Hop, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to be using my NYX eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my top lash line so it blends really well with my lashes. For lashes today, I'll be using the House of Lashes in the style Iconic. Almost forgot to apply mascara, so I'm just gonna pop some on really quick. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm taking more of this like peachy color, and I'm just gonna pop that on my cheeks. And then from the same palette, I'm gonna pick up this golden highlight, and I'm just gonna spray my brush with setting spray because I feel like when you wet your brush a little bit, the highlight pops a little bit more. For lip liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Suede Matte Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Downtown Beauty. And then I'm going to be taking Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade True Story, and I'm just going to pop that on my lips. So I thought I was done, and then I forgot I needed to set my face. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, and I'm gonna spritz that all over my face. And I'm the type of person that kind of likes to take a shower in their setting spray, so I'm gonna spray a lot.
Alright guys, so thank you again for watching this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I will be back again with another video, hopefully on Monday. I'm trying to do a whole schedule, Mondays and Fridays, so trying to stay on it. I do have some things coming up, but hopefully I'm on it and you guys can see that. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.